Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. We're going to be talking about a bunch of chemicals here today. We already did the gray water in its separate video because there's a couple other things to touch on there, so check that one out. First thing we'll talk about is toilet seal lubricant. This is from Thetford, who does make toilets as well, so make sure you're following the directions on this. There are ones for the start of the season, during the season, and end of the season, and when you winterize. This will help preserve, Mark, tell me if I'm in focus. Okay, the little rubber seal down here at the bottom. I'm really a big fan of maintaining that, and the reason being is I don't like pulling toilets to replace that seal. So that's the first one done and down. Level gauge cleaner. If you guys have not checked out our video on how to use a black tank and how to use an RV toilet correctly, making sure you're using the right amount of water, go back, check that one out. Mark, can you put links in? Mark's giving me nods, so I'm going to say put the links right up here. All right, so we'll put links to those. Level gauge cleaner. This will get you out of a pickle. Then watch those videos and follow the instructions there. That way you don't have to do this process again, because that's not a fun process. Tissue digester. The other one, guys, use RV marine grade toilet paper. The only time this really should be coming into play is if your kid takes the entire roll of RV toilet paper and jams it down the toilet. Other than that, follow the instructions to a T on this. I know it does work, but we don't want it as a regular maintenance item. Drain valve lubricant. Now this was the one that actually kind of sparked my interest the most. There is maintenance, and then there is repair notes on the back of this bottle. So one of them is designed to be used on a regular basis. The other one is for immediate repair. Now I'll be honest, okay, and I'm not a shell for anything, and nobody pays me for these videos, including Keystone, unfortunately. We do them for you guys, so make sure you're commenting down below. It keeps us entertained. The drain valve lubricant, I've never used this product before I needed to, okay? Before I needed to. The idea of using it as regular maintenance item now is kind of piquing my interest. If somebody out there uses this as a regular maintenance item, please comment down below. Definitely like to chat to you more about that, or jump on our Instagram and send me a direct message on there. Do I say direct message or DM, Mark? Mark says it doesn't matter. Mark doesn't talk a whole lot unless we are on lizard dog lizard, which he's still chuckling about. So, but no, if somebody's using this as a regular maintenance item, I'd love to know. But this does work great for the repair aspect of going to pull on that knife valve and it being extremely thick or stiff. Guys, if you have questions, give us a call, 1-800-232-3279 if it's immediate. If you want to spur a conversation, possibly be the reason that we're going to be doing the next video, which is how this came up, somebody commenting in one of the past videos. Guys, shoot us a comment down below. That'll often trigger, hey, we need to do a video on this, this, and this. Any questions? 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day, guys.